Hello everybody! I wanted to come on and tell you about the latest service offered through me at Restoring Wellness, and that is an all-online Fit and Healthy Jumpstart. And this is a 30-day program that we do together, all online. It is run through email and also a private Facebook group, meaning only the people that are in that group can see what is posted and have access to the information, the files, the videos, different things that I'll be uploading there. And so in this Jumpstart program, it is a 4-step plan. So each week we will focus on one area and really kind of dig deep on how to incorporate that into our lives. If you were in my free 7-day week challenge, my seven-day health challenge, we did a certain thing every day, which it skims the surface, but you can't really focus on it as much as you maybe would like to. So this way we have one per week, and I'll be sending out an email every week. There'll be the private Facebook group, which will contain videos, different files, lots of great information for you, daily coaching support, and I'll also be giving you meal planning templates, a recipe guide, a grocery shopping guide, and also a bunch of recipes for smoothies and juices if that is something you enjoy. So all of this lasts for 30 days, and it begins on December 11th. Now, if you sign up for it by midnight on December 5th, which is coming up pretty soon, you will be able to get all of this for $37, which is a pretty good bargain. Once you go and look on my website or different links that I'm going to share with you, you'll see the value of it is much higher than that if you were going to come to me and I was going to spend this much time with you individually working on these lifestyle choices. And so my goal for this is to help you in an affordable way to navigate through this time of year, especially can be a little more challenging with get-togethers and things like that, but also to give you some tips before that January 1st, where we like to make our resolutions that sometimes go by the wayside by January 15th, or if you're able to hang in there a little longer, sometimes by March, we've put those aside. So I'd like to be able to help you start the new year on good footing, get a little head start on what some of your health goals might be, and that is the focus of this. It's not really about weight loss, it's about improving your health habits, and by doing that, you'll improve your health. You might lose weight, there's no guarantees, but you might, and so your health will definitely be improved one way or another. And so we'll dig into those things together. So I hope you'll join me. I'll be posting more links and more information for you. And after December 5th, the price goes up to $57. So I hope you'll join me before that time and save yourself some money. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.